Hello everyone, I welcome you all in a virtual classes program of JetKids International School, School at Home. And today we are going to continue our exercise, or we are going to complete our exercise 3.5, right? Uh, and we are going to learn very important thing like HCF, right? Highest common factor. So first 3.5 question number 10 was pH. Okay, I hope you done it by using some more divisibility rule, right? What was the question? The question was determine 25110. I'm repeating it. 25110, right, is divisible by, so what you have to find, determine, is it divisible by 45? What is mean by divisible? Completely divisible, exactly divisible by 45. You have to determine. And hint is given there. 5 and 9 are co-prime number. Test the divisibility of the number by 5 and 9, right? So why this hint 5 and 9 given? 5 and 9 are co-prime number, it is given. Okay, co-prime number. Why it is given? See, the rule behind this, if the number, any number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, so it will also be divisible by the product of their number. Clear? That's why we took the divisibility of test 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3, because 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers, and it is divisible if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, it will also be divisible by 6. The same rule we will apply over here. If the number is divisible by two co-prime number, then it will also be divisible by product of it. 9 5s are 45. Clear? So what we have to do to check it is divisible by 45 or not, we have to check it is divisible by 5 or 9, and 5 and 9 are divisible. 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers because they have only common thing is 1. Common factor is 1. Okay, you can check 1 and 5, 1 and 3 and 9. Okay, only 1 is common. So co-prime number. So first check it, divisibility test by 5, right? So 5, 0 is here. So yes, it is divisible. Yes, it is divisible by 5. Okay, right? Write full sentence. Okay, and after that 9, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0, that will be equal to 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9, right? So yes, 9 is divisible by 9. Yes, it is also divisible by, it is also divisible by 9, right? Write it properly. Okay, I am writing like a doctor. Clear? So write it properly in your notebook from here, right? And give a reference over here, rule that we are using. If any number is divisible by two co-prime number, then it will also be divisible by the product of it, right? Next, so then so that if 5, it is divisible by, you will write here 25110 is divisible by 5 and 9 both. Hence it is divisible by 45. Write full sentence. Clear? वैसे भी ये that was it was pH, right? Clear? This rule will we will apply over here in question number 10. Okay, so question number 11. Take a snap if you want to and write proper in your notebook. Okay. So question number 11 we will start. Okay, 18 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. 18 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Okay, right? It is given. It is also divisible by 2 multiplied by 3, and 18 is also divisible by 2 multiplied by 3, 6, right? It is also 18 is also divisible by 6. So similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can we say that it will be a number is also divisible, any number, okay? So can is divisible, कोई number है जो 4 and 6 से divide होता है, तो can we say it will also be divisible by 24? Can we say? So let us take, right? For example, I am taking 12. 12 is divisible by 4. 12 is divisible by 6, but it is not divisible by 24. So no, it is not necessary. It is not necessary, okay, that the number will also be divisible by 24. That means product of it. Okay, why it is not divisible? Because these two are not co-prime numbers, right? Because these two are, or simply you can write because these two are not co-prime number. Okay, because they have 1 as well as 2 common factor as a common factor over here. Clear? Okay, this was our question number 11. Next is question number 12. So question number 12 we have, I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Okay, can you find me? Okay, I am the smallest number. Okay, you have to find out the smallest number. Okay, it is a puzzle. Riddle is given. Having 4 different prime factors. Different, it cannot be same. Okay, having 4 different prime factor, right? Can you find me? See, smallest number hai. Okay, for a smallest number we need smallest prime factors. Prime factors means by multiplying them we get our smallest number. Clear? So smallest prime factors are 2, 3, then 5, then 7. Okay, different, not repeated. Okay, by multiplying these prime factors we will get our smallest prime number, right? So here 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. 6 multiplied by 5, 30. 30 multiplied by 7, 7 3s are 21, 0, 210. This is our answer. Smallest number which has prime factor. Okay, 4 different prime factors. For smallest number we need, for smallest, only smallest, from we will start from smallest prime number 2 3 5 7, right? Okay, and it is not repeating, that's why we took 2 3 5 7. Clear? For smallest number we need smallest prime numbers, prime factors to multiply, and we will get our answer. So our answer, smallest number, will be 210. Clear? Now the important thing, HCF. Here we are done with our 3.5. Okay, now we are going to continue with our HCF. What is mean by HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Now for whole month we prepared for factors, multiples, different rules and different things. Okay, now we will apply whole thing in a HCF. This is the main thing. that main part of our chapter that we are going to learn on the basis of our whole month study, whole month practice, right? Okay, now highest common factor, right? So highest common factor, what is the highest common factor? The highest common factor of two or more given number is the factor, is the highest number in factor that we took, right? For example, I am taking two things like 12 and 18, right? Now factors, take a factors 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4, right? Here 1, 18, 2, 9, then not by 4, then 3 and 6, right? Now common factors are 1, then 2, then 3, then 6, then that's it. Common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, right? And which is highest? 6. So our HCF will be 6. This is the way to find out, the traditional way, a very basic way to find out our HCF, that is 6. Clear? Okay, now 3 things are there, it is given in book example. Okay, now we will find common factorization. By common factorization we are going to find out. Okay, this is clear? HCF. Now 20, 28, 36. Find out the highest common factor over it. Okay, so highest common factor. Now prime by prime factorization. Now I am prime factorizing it. Okay, 2 multiplied by 10, then 2 multiplied by 5. So 5 here. Clear? What prime factor we have of 20? See, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Clear? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now for 28. 2 multiplied by 14. Then 2 multiplied by 7. Here 7. Clear? What we have here? 2 multiplied by 4, 28. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Clear? Now 36. 2 multiplied by 18. 2 multiplied by 9. Then 3 multiplied by 3, and here we have 3. See, try to see it, huh? 2 multiplied by 18, 2 multiplied by 9, 3 multiplied by 3, and 3 multiplied by 1. So here we have our factors of 36, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, so common factors 2 and 2. Okay, no need to find at highest. Okay, prime factorization we are looking after. Okay, so highest common factor here 2 and again 2. Take all the common factors from prime factorization. 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Here is our answer. Clear? This is our answer of prime factorization. Hope this is clear to all of you. In next video we will look after few more example of highest common factor. In both the way we look after traditional way, we see how to find out highest common factor, and in prime factorization way we also look after we also went through the highest how to find highest common factor. Okay, keep practicing it. Okay, keep practicing and practicing and practicing. After that we will start our next exercise. Clear? Okay, so keep practicing and stay safe. Thank you so much.